So I took my vase outside. It was raining today. I guess not hard enough. I didn't get any rainwater like I thought to fill it up. I would have had to leave it out there overnight. But I just went on and took what I did get, and I'm bringing it in the house, and I'm going to place my new tulip bulbs in here. They are pre-chilled, and the package states you can grow them in water. So I'm going to do a review, I guess, of these. Well, I have to still wait until it opens up and blooms. So these are Queen of the Nile tulips, 5 bulbs from CZ Green that I ordered on Amazon. Yes, I get 5 bulbs, and these are going to be all black, guys. Okay, 1 or 2 did come like this. So all we're going to do is just give it a try. Alright, so I was told to put them in a vase, top up, and then fill it with a little water. Not a lot, just a little, not even to cover it. Just a few inches in there, and then start to let it do what it needs to do, and then it shall grow into the vase. It should sprout up. All right, so within a couple weeks is what I hear. So you can have these tulips in your home, indoors, even in the winter. So just a little bit of water. I don't know if you can see that. Just a little bit. All right,